got my warp paper here, and now I'm going to weave my weft pieces into it. I'm going to alternate over, under, over, under, over, under, all the way across. And then I'm going to pull it through and try to push it tight up against the edge. When I start with my next weft piece, I'm going to do opposite what I did before. So I went over before, now I'm going to go under. So I'm going to go under the first piece, over the second, under the third, just opposite what I did with my last weft. Once again, I'm going to pull it all the way through and tighten it up against my previous weft. And I'm just going to continue like this all the way down to the other side, alternating whatever I did in the previous row and tightening it up and readjusting and rearranging. Sometimes it's easier to use a ruler or a stick called a butterfly to lift up the pieces as you work, but I'm just using my fingers here. As I come across here, I can see I've made a mistake, so I have to kind of pull the last one out a bit and rearrange it. Get to this last piece, it doesn't really fit, so I take a smaller one and I fit it in there.